Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple but delicious Rocky Road recipe. So we're going to start off by placing our chocolate, butter and golden syrup into a saucepan which we're going to heat over gentle heat until it's all melted. Now I'm using 50-50 milk and dark chocolate, but you could use whatever ratios you want. For the full details of ingredients and quantities, they will be in the description box below. So once that's all melted and there's no lumps left, you're going to set that to the side, and we're going to take our rich tea biscuits, or you could also use digestives or graham crackers, whatever biscuits you've got. I'm just going to crush those with our hands until we've got about £1 coin pieces. With our biscuits crushed, we're going to chuck in our mini marshmallows and also a little pinch of sea salt. This just adds a really nice depth of flavour. And you're just going to toss those together with your hands. You can add in here whatever you want, a bit of popcorn, a bit of toffee, literally anything. So once your chocolate's cool enough so it's not going to melt the marshmallows, we're going to add that in and then just mix that through. Now at first it'll seem like there's not enough chocolate to the fillings, then it'll seem like there's a bit too much, but if you just keep mixing, it'll all come together really nicely. So we're going to tumble that out into our 8" by 8" cake tin, and you're just going to push that out with your spatula. You don't want to press too hard because your marshmallows will be a bit soft and you want them to maintain their shape. Once that's all out to the edges, you're going to put that into the fridge to chill for a good couple of hours till it firms up. Then we're just going to cut this into pieces. Now I'm going for 2" by 2" squares, but you can make these whatever size you want. First mark it with a knife and then cut all the way through. And that is literally it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. You can click here to see my last video and here to see a video randomly selected by YouTube for you.